Hello and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Don Bosco Bhavan Manuthi, the Salesian work that can be considered the cradle of training for the province of India, Bangalore, celebrated its 50th anniversary on January 30th. Don Joyce Thoni Kuzil, Inspector, presided over the celebratory Eucharist, flanked by Don Jose Kuyikal, his vicar, and several other Salesians. 50 lamps representing the 50 years of the existence of the house and graces received from God were placed on the altar at the beginning of the Mass. The anniversary candle, lit in the previous 364 days, was lit once again by Don John P.K., director of the work, in gratitude to God for the blessings granted. The Salesian Oratory of Alcamo, belonging to the province of Sikula ISI, has created, with the participation of the boys of the Oratory, 3 short videos that tell some phases of Don Bosco's life, drawing inspiration from the memoirs of the Oratory. Born to give voice to Strena 2021, which has the title Move by Hope, the project intends to talk about hope by lowering its meaning in some events that have deeply marked the life of Don Bosco. 9 days of preparation for the great feast of Don Bosco through novena, exchanges of Viva Don Bosco for greetings, prayers, community life, exams. They are the fundamental elements that mark the life of Inter-Inspectorate Theologists of Krakow in the days around the feast of Don Bosco. The city of San Benito Petén, Guatemala, is home to an important Salesian mission strongly rooted in the territory and appreciated by the local population, mostly poor people, because they are committed to bringing development and authentic evangelization. This is how the feast of Don Bosco was lived in this reality. This year, the feast of Don Bosco was celebrated for the first time in the new shrine of Mary Help of Christians in Buterere near Bujumbura, and saw the participation of the various groups of the Salesian family. At the end of the Mass, Don Ferdinand Tunzweni Mana, SDP Director of the Salesian community, blessed a new statue of Don Bosco. On the occasion of International Education Day, the Salesian NGO VIA Don Bosco of the province of Belgium, North Holland, BEN, met online with the Minister of Development Cooperation of the Belgium government, Miriame Kitir, to give a petition that aims to make the right to education for girls a priority in development policy. VIA Don Bosco launched the campaign, "I would also like to go back to school," to draw the attention of the Belgian government to vulnerable young people in the south of the world, and girls in particular, who are at risk of not being able to return to school due to the crisis generated by the pandemic. 2,337 people signed the petition, and Minister Kitir gave his full support, saying, "Education is key. In my policy, I pay particular attention to equal opportunities for girls. Through the funding of new multi-annual programs of NGOs such as VIA Don Bosco, I will continue to fight for the right to education for all, especially the most vulnerable groups." VIA Don Bosco, together with Minister Miriame Kitir, is committed to ensuring that every young person, girl or boy, has access to a quality inclusive education, because every young person has talents that deserve to be developed. At the Salesiano University Center in Linz, on the occasion of the feast of Don Bosco, a new painting has been unveiled made for the 80th anniversary of the Salesian presence in the city. The author of the work is the plastic artist Odinir Seba, who has also restored 2 other paintings made on the occasion of the 50th anniversary of Salesian presence in Linz. These paintings, one by Don Bosco and the other by Our Lady Help of Christians, were also presented to the community. The new painting was placed at the entrance of the University Center and was blessed by the director, Don Paulo Fernando Vendrame. The work depicts Mary Help of Christians, Don Bosco, Monsignor Henrique Morayo, Salesian Bishop of the Diocese of Cafelandia, which included the present Diocese of Linz in the years when the Salesians arrived in Linz, and the Mother Church of Don Bosco and the buildings of the Uni Salesiano with the elements of the flag of the municipality of Linz. On January 23rd, the meeting of the Salesian family of Portugal took place on the Zoom platform, during which the Strena 2021 of the Rector Major Don Angel Fernandez Artime was presented, entitled Move by Hope, Here I Make All Things New. Book of Revelation, chapter 21, verse 5. The meeting was attended by Father Galdazio Mendes dos Santos, General Counsellor for Social Communication, who guided the reflection and who addressed the words of hope to those present. Don Jose Anibal Menconda, Inspector of Salesians of Portugal, Sister Rosa Candida Gomes, FMA Inspector, Don Alvaro Lago, Delegate for Youth Pastoral Care, Don Joao Chavez, Director of the Salesians of Lisbon, also spoke at the presentation, offering a message to young people in these very complicated times. The message of hope included in the theme of Strena 2021, they said, will help young people walk in these new times and educators to be a reflection of God in everyone's life. Father Vochta Civic, Vicar and Delegate for Youth Ministry of the Czech Republic Province CEP, continues to reflect on the delicate issue of sexual abuse and ecclesiastical realities. In the second and last part of the interview, the focus is on how he thinks the Church should approach this terrible evil when it appears in her ranks. On the occasion of the feast day of Don Bosco, the Salesians of Spain made known some data relating to their presence in the country. The congregation is present in Spain with two provinces, the Mary Help of Christians SMX province based in Seville and the St. James the Greater province SSM based in Madrid. There are 137 schools with 92,694 students and 6,507 educators, 62 vocational training centers with 16,371 students and 1,350 teachers, 139 youth centers, 58 parishes with about 3,000 animators. The Salesian social platforms respond to the needs of 55,029 recipients and involve 2,592 educators. With that, we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.